For the earth will be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord as the waters cover the sea. Habakkuk chapter 2 verses 14. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited and very thrilled to share this amazing Bofrot recipe. This special Bofrot recipe contains a special ingredient that both kids and adults like, so it's going to be for the family and for everyone. It is so delicious and you're going to absolutely add it to your cookbook. I want you to stay tuned because you're going to love it. And warning, I'm giving you this warning. This is so addictive. They are so good. So please be sure to stay tuned. You will love it. Remember, we are still on our breakfast series. This is one quick breakfast that you can Let's get started. So I am going to be using all-purpose flour for this recipe. I am using just 3 cups of that. And if you are based in Ghana, please use soft flour for this recipe. All right. I have here milk powder, some dried instant yeast, it's 14 grams. I have some nutmeg, some salt, sugar, and the almighty Cerelac. 6 months babies and above. The big babies are here to consume it and to also make it into puff. This is actually very delicious. So please stay tuned. You will love it once you try it. I'm going to begin with the salt. And then I'll go in with a nutmeg, in with a milk powder. I'm using 14 grams as well. I also go in with my 50 grams of Cerelac. I'm using the maize one. So there you have it. Imagine having a very rich Bofrot like this. You're going to be making it over and over and over and over and over again. It is so tasty. So mix it very well. Make sure everything is very well incorporated. And then now I'm adding my sugar. Make sure you put the sugar and the yeast together. Yeast always loves some sugar, so make sure they are there together. And you just want to make sure you stir everything nicely to combine. And now we are going to add some lukewarm water. The lukewarm water is very important as it activates the yeast faster. So I'm going to create a hole in it and I'm just going to add about 2 cups of water in total, but it's important that you just add it little by little. Okay, so add it first and just make sure I stir everything together. I already love the aroma from the Cerelac. It is so nice. We are looking for a consistency that is not doughy like. We want it to be a little bit lighter than a normal bread dough. So as you go in with your hands, make sure that you break the lumps that you have in here. You just want your batter to be lump free, so it's always ideal to go in with your hands like that and put in the water bit by bit. And we want the consistency to be like the slime. Like if you've been playing with slime a lot, yes, that's how the consistency should kind of feel, like a little bit more lighter. Okay, so exactly how you see on your screens is how you want your batter to look like. Okay, so once you're done with that, go ahead and clean the edges because we're going to go ahead and cover this and allow this to double rise. This is going to allow the yeast to proof very well and just create all the bubbles that it needs to be created, hence the batter becoming lighter afterwards. So it's very important stage. So cover it and allow this to rest just around 2 hours, you should be done with that. Okay, so in the resting time, I went ahead to heat up some oil, which is very, very important. While you start to fry these, you want to make sure that the oil is nice and very, very warm. So here we are 2 hours later, and our dough or batter has been proving like beautifully. It has not just double rise, I think it has triple rise. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove all the air bubble, which is going to let our end product be very nice, very light and fluffy. Okay, so you just want to go in with your hands and beat the hell out of it. Beat all the bubbles out and just go ahead and start frying your Bofrot, your sweet, delicious, and very yummylicious Cerelac Bofrot, perfect for your mornings and for your porridges. It is so delicious. Before we start frying, you just want to make sure that you have your kitchen towel paper ready. Make sure it is very, very close to you, because that's where the Bofrot will be leaving out the excess oil right there. So it's very important to have your paper towel around. Okay, and another technique that I always use while scooping my batter is to have a little bit of oil in my palm. It's just make the scooping process a lot more easier, and this is how I scoop. So please watch the screen and just learn. It is not too difficult at all. Even if it is, once you practice, keep practicing, and you'll be so good at it. Okay, remember, Rome was never built in a day. Okay, it just takes a practicing it over and over and over again. And sometimes you can also use spoon if you do not want to engage your hands in this, which is totally fine. This has been always the way I love to make it, and it's quite therapeutic for me, honestly. I always have fun with it. It is so squishy and nice to play with. So yes, you go ahead and fry this, and you just want to be present. Okay, it is nothing that you put in and just go do your work. No, you have to be standing right there to be turning this every few seconds here and there, because you do not want the other side to be cooked more than the other. Okay, it should be balanced. It should be cooked perfectly together. Okay, they look so beautiful in here, so nice, and the aroma is just amazing. It will take you around 10 minutes ish to fry them. Let's just say frying them 5 minutes on each side on a medium heat is the goal. Okay, so be turning it until you see this beautiful caramelized color, and you know that, yeah, your job here is done. This one came out very nice and crunchy. That's how my first Bofrot always turn out. They turn out always so crunchy and so delicious. So yes, once you're done, go ahead and take them out and put it on your towel paper as we prepared before, just to make sure that all the excess oil will be left there. Okay, once you're done with that, go ahead and scoop more of it until you're done frying all your butter. And oh my goodness, this Cerelac Bofrot is going to be your love. You will love it so much. If you have Cerelac staring at you at the corner right there in your pantry, please go grab it, because oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I'm so excited for you to try this, because it is so delicious. I've been making this over and over again, and my family cannot have enough. It is so delicious. Oh my gosh. So there you have it. Our second batch is done. All our Bofrot is also done. Great to have some delicious breakfast. I'm not going to review what we're going to pair this with in our next breakfast series video. I'm going to reveal it. It was so delicious. The combination was massive. It was so good. But please kindly tell me in the comment section what you love to pair this with, because I was so in love. Look at that. Just have a look at that. It was just perfect. So good. Thanks so much, family, for watching once again. I am so excited that you watch all the way to the end. I'm very thankful for that. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family if you did enjoy this recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.